Knowing what supplements to take and why is so important, because if you're just going to Walmart and you're just going to Walgreens in the store trying to find a bunch of supplements, reading the label and thinking, oh yes,
this will make me skinny.
Oh yes,
this will make me smarter.
Just because the label said so, you are incorrect. A lot of supplements are actually very harmful and dangerous for you. And if you have a health condition, you need to talk to a doctor or talk to a nutritionist or somebody that knows what they are doing and get labs done or blood work done to make sure that these supplements are not interfering with your health. Finding what deficiencies that you have is so important to make sure that you are taking what is right for you, and also knowing what these supplements do is important. So today I'm going to walk through all of the supplements that have changed my life and have gotten me to lose 10 pounds in the last 3 months. And if it's possible for me, it's possible for you. I do want to say that there is no supplement that is going to lead to you losing weight. If you do not take care of yourself and you don't treat your body like the garden that it is, and you do not treat your body like a temple, and you think that a supplement is just going to magically make all your problems disappear, that is not how it works. You need to look at how your diet is, your mental health, your chronic stress. Are you in survival mode? And I have a bunch of videos on all of these things. So if you want to go look at them, make sure you subscribe to the Queen community, and I'll be more than happy to help you on that journey. But baby girl, do not think that a supplement is just going to magically make you lose weight and make you pretty and help you become the best version of yourself, because that is not how it works. Making sure that all areas of your life are leveling up along with supplementation can be extremely helpful if you know what you're doing. It's important to know that different supplements will have different impacts on people because different hormone profiles, different needs, different cortisol levels, different deficiencies, all of that. So don't just take these supplements thinking that it will make you look like me or it will make you magically have long hair, get rid of acne, anything like that. Do not think that these supplements are just going to magically do that for you. Remember, supplementation is 5 to 10% of your overall progress. So making sure that the 90 to 95% is correct is important, but these supplements will help. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy, I can't lie to you. I have a lot of supplements that I take in a day, but I just wanna make sure that I'm giving my body what it needs, and sometimes I don't get all of the nutrition that I need from meals. So this ensures that I am. One of the most basic ones that I take is a multivitamin. So this is the Ollie multivitamin. This is great. I like this one a lot. I never recommend that people take gummies because all it is just sprayed on vitamins that decrease exponentially over time, and you're just having a sugar pill basically. So I don't recommend that you have gummies, even though they're fun and they're nice and they taste good. They're not really helping you, it's just candy. And the absorption level is not as great as it is with something that is in a soft gel. Make sure that you are taking your supplements with food. So oil-based supplements or fat-soluble supplements need a healthy fat in order to dissolve and be absorbed within your body. So if you're just taking vitamins on an empty stomach, they're not going to be absorbed, you're going to pee them out. And if your water isn't hydrating, then you're just going to pee out all of these supplements. Next, I do have a vitamin D deficiency. So to make sure that I am getting vitamin D, and I have a K2 plus vitamin D3 supplement. And this is important because when you have the K2, it activates the D3 to be able to be absorbed and used within your body. So this helps a lot with your bone health and your immunity health as well. It also helps with your blood concentration and your energy levels. So I really enjoy taking this. I've also seen a difference within my gut health. When you take care of your immune health and your immunity, your gut health will improve a lot. And I see so much less bloating just because I've been taking care of my gut health and my immunity overall. Next, I love this one. If I want to get in a relaxed state, I will literally make a magnesium cocktail and I will get in bed, read a book. If you struggle with sleep or you have a dysregulated nervous system, this is something that will really help you out. Magnesium glycinate is one of my favorite forms of magnesium, so make sure that you are looking on the back in the parentheses on what type of magnesium it is or what type of vitamin it is. It will tell you what form it comes in and how much. So this is 420 milligrams and it is magnesium glycinate. The reason that's important is because if your magnesium is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is the worst and cheapest form of magnesium that there is. So if you're going to the store and it's magnesium oxide, you're not getting full absorption and it is not the best form for you. This supplement not only improved my energy, but it has also improved my blood sugar. I am not diabetic. I don't have extreme blood sugar spikes, but I do have PCOS. So making sure that my blood sugar is in a healthy lower range and it's staying stable throughout the day is super important to make sure that my hormones are in check and make sure that I am losing weight consistently. So managing your blood sugar and making sure that your blood sugar does not spike is something so important for weight loss and weight management, because when you have a bunch of sugar spikes throughout the day and you have nothing buffering that, you will not only struggle to lose weight, but you'll probably put on weight a lot easier than somebody that manages their blood sugar well. And in my program, I teach my clients and walk through how we will manage their blood sugar and how that is accomplished through food, through their diet, through meal timing, meal prepping, all of that. And the girls see such an amazing difference, and that just makes me so happy, because teaching you guys all of these things, it just adds so much passion to my life. So this one helps your brain health, and it also makes sure that the sugar metabolism is in check. So it's acetyl L-carnitine, super great for girls that have PCOS, and alpha lipoic acid, which is going to help manage that blood sugar. So something I take for mood health and mental clarity is going to be L-theanine. So this one is such a great supplement. If I'm ever feeling moody or I'm feeling unfocused and kind of have that brain fog, it could be because of a lack of L-theanine, which is an amino acid that your body needs in order to have mental stability and clarity. So if you struggle with things like anxiety or sadness a lot, this is something that will really help you. Another one that I take to ensure that I am managing inflammation, making sure that I'm getting a lot of antioxidants, is CoQ10. So this one is a really great one for inflammation and energy production and cardiovascular health, which is so important to your daily tasks and routines. Making sure that you have an antioxidant-rich diet is going to make sure that these supplements are working together, working synchronously, and also preventing harmful oxidation in your body. Along with that, I also take a vitamin E supplement. So this is vitamin E in the form of tocopherol. So vitamin E is an antioxidant. It has a similar function to the CoQ10, but this one is going to just really help with that inflammatory response and rejuvenation. I take this at night before I go to sleep, after a meal, and it's great. I also take a cinnamon supplement. So this one also has chromium in it. Chromium is going to be something that helps you with your healthy metabolism. Cinnamon is going to make sure that the blood sugar is being dulled and not spiking throughout the day. So I actually am going to start making a series for you guys where I'm going to make a bunch of mocktails and healthy girl drinks that are aesthetically pleasing that you can drink throughout the day, that are going to help your metabolism, help you have that healthy girl aesthetic, and enjoy drinking healthy things. So if that's something that you're interested in, please leave it in the comments and what ideas that you have so I can include that in that video and series. So I've talked about this a couple of times in a few videos, but I take digestive enzymes after extremely big meals or meals that have a lot of carbs in them. So this one is a papaya enzyme complex. So the reason why I do the papaya enzyme complex is because there is something specific. There's an enzyme in papaya called papain, and that speeds up digestion a lot. And it speeds it up quite a bit. And that's another reason I really like papaya. And taking papaya seeds, not a lot, but in very small amounts. If you are eating papaya seeds, it can kill parasites and harmful bacteria in the gut. Just be aware, if you do this, you will probably be on the toilet for a little bit. And the next day, it just clears everything out of your gut, like a lot. TMI, I don't care. But there is a lot of different enzymes in here that help with digestion. Amylase is an enzyme that helps with the breakdown of carbohydrates and sugars, so that's also important, especially whenever I have a high carb meal. And this is just like one of my babies right here. I don't take all of these supplements every single day. I take them as needed. There are a lot of them I do take every single day, but if I know that I am specifically going to have a lower sugar day and I'm not having a lot of carbs in my diet, some of these supplements I don't really take. Things like the alpha lipoic acid I would take every day. Another one that I do take every day is berberine, and that has helped me so much with managing my blood sugar and even aiding in me losing weight. If you struggle with blood sugar and you struggle with losing weight, that is a great supplement. It lowers your blood sugar by a lot, but I only recommend that you take this for 2 months at a time max. Give yourself a 3 to 4 month break and then restart taking it again. The reason for this is because there's not a lot of information out there on berberine. This is a newer supplement. It's similar, not as strong, but similar to Ozempic, this popular thing going around right now for weight loss, but it's not just magically going to make you lose weight and you can just eat whatever you want. No supplement does that. Fat burners are a waste of money and a waste of time. They don't do anything. A lot of them, they just have caffeine in them to make you move around more, which is quite frankly a scam. But a lot of these fat burners are not FDA approved, so they don't have to have real claims on them. So one of the last ones that I take is turmeric curcumin, and this one is so powerful for inflammation. Turmeric is so great for your inflammatory response and making sure that your inflammatory response is managed well, and you're not having a bunch of sugar spikes throughout the day, and your food it helps in digestion, it helps in mental clarity. So turmeric is something that I really love. If I don't have a turmeric shot or a turmeric drink, this is one of the best. So a lot of these need to be taken with food because it's going to help the absorption so much and make sure that you're getting all of the nutrients that you need. So if you have any questions specifically about any of these, please leave it in the comments. Check out the description for my free resources and help if you are struggling and really want to dive into your personal fitness journey. And just being a part of this community, it just makes me so happy, and I'm so grateful for all of you. I'm so grateful that God has given me this platform to be able to help you guys, and I want to do that as much as I possibly can. And if you have any other video requests, please leave them in the comments and I will get started on that. Remember to subscribe to the Queen community, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.